Welcome to a new Bravo Studio video. I'm Christina, product designer at Bravo Studio. In this video, we'll have a look into design sprint. It's a process that will help you build better products faster. We started using design sprints in Bravo in the last years and it has definitely changed the way we approach product building in certain occasions. When we add a new feature, it's not because of intuition or because our team feels like it. We get feedback from our users, test ideas, and decide our direction based on accumulation of validation from various sources. While design sprints can still sound like a buzzword, there are still companies that spend a lot of time and money building products they haven't even tested. On the other side, fast-growing companies such as Slack and Airbnb and many others are utilizing this process. The key thing about design sprint is building MVP quickly and testing them with real users in order to validate your ideas or launch them to market. When we created Bravo, we saw that our users were able to quickly build real products and share them with testers using Bravo Vision, the native app previewer. And we got to think, how can we share this idea with other users on how you can use Bravo Vision? In essence, design sprints are an efficient way to structure the product validation process while saving time. Today, we'll go over the basics of a design sprint. First, what is a design sprint? It's a step-by-step 4-day system for rapidly solving big challenges, creating new products, or improving existing ones. It was developed by Jake Knapp, who at the time worked at Google and needed a measurable way to bring design into the company. The design sprint compresses months of work into a few days and allows you to make informed decisions. You end the week with an interactive prototype and feedback from 5 users who are part of your target audience. Beautiful apps are a commodity today. What you need to have is the right product for the right audience. Design sprints are a shortcut to find out if a product or feature is worth developing. What does the design sprint look like in practice? It's all about getting a mixed skill team to work on a particular idea over 4 days of various tasks. On the first day, everyone works together in creating a map of the product, how it works, who is the audience, who are the competitors. The sprint team needs to be aligned and understand what they're working with. Then we move on to sketching solutions aimed at the problem that we are dealing with. On the second day, it's all about deciding which of those solutions we're going to prototype. Then we draw a storyboard where we'll define the features and what the user flow is going to be like. The third day is when Bravo Studio comes in handy, as it allows you to build a high-fidelity prototype fast. This is a way in which you'll translate the concept and solution you thought of during the first 2 days of the design sprint into something people can use. For example, let's say you built this app as the MVP for your design sprint week. Then you can share with your test users, and what they will see is a high fidelity and fully functional native app in their Bravo Vision on their phone. So they can go ahead and test out the functionalities. For example, testing if the payment works, if it's intuitive, etc. On the last day, you'll test the prototype with 5 people who are part of your target audience you've defined on day 1. You'll record the tests in order to go over them and learn from their feedback. The design sprint will give you a step-by-step framework to produce solutions, to look at problems from a different perspective, and to have a structured discussion and build an MVP that actually solves the problem. It's a process that will get you started and help you stop guessing. Any makers, entrepreneurs, or designers today need to be sure they're solving real problems for real users. Today, they need to launch often, test, reiterate, and keep moving. The needs of your audience change fast, and so do the competitors. Rather than spending more time than necessary on traditional waterfall processes, try design sprint to see if it improves your process and your products. Let me know if you have tried this methodology in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and activate notifications. Happy Bravo Rising!